The algebra tiles are squares or rectangles that represent numbers and variables in a polynomial. They are made up of small squares, large squares, rectangles. The length of the side of the large square is equal to the length of the rectangle. The rectangle represents the variable x, and the large square represents x squared, and the small square represents 1. The exercise that we're going to do is 5x squared minus x plus 3 and all of it minus x squared minus 4. The first polynomial is 5x squared minus x plus 3. So we're going to represent it with the algebra tiles. Okay, so the first x squared are represented by the blue tiles. So we put 5 blue tiles under the first polynomial. The x are represented by the rectangles. But because they're negative, we use the red rectangles. So we put one red tile like this. And finally, the ones are represented by the small square. So we put 3 yellow small tiles. The second polynomial is x squared minus 4. So when we represent it with the algebra tiles, we have 1 blue tile and 4 red small squares because they are negative ones.
Subtracting is actually adding the opposite of the second polynomial of this one. So, making an opposite, we change the signs. We change this blue tile with a red tile, and we change this red tile with yellow tiles, representing that we change the signs from positive to negative and from negative to positive. And then we combine tiles together. We have one negative and one positive. So we take these two together and we create a zero pair. And we end with 4x squared. The second value, we have this minus x represented with a long x tile. But in the second polynomial there's no an x, so we leave this one alone. And in the last one we have 3 plus 4, and if we add them, we end with 7. And at the end, the answer is 4x squared minus x plus 7, and we're done.